My name is Bill Jabs. My wife and I own Eagle Creek Lavender and Starr Manufacturing. In 2018, we developed the Starr Lavender Harvester. This is the prototype machine that we developed, and we spent all of 2018 refining and improving the machine. And now I'd like to introduce you to the new 2019 model of the Starr Lavender Harvester, which was just delivered this week and ready for delivery to you as a customer. This is our new model that's just been delivered this week. As you can see, for one, it's prettier with our new purple color, but there's a lot of refinements that we've made from the original prototype machine. Starting with new and better materials. First of all, the paddle, which pulls the lavender into the cutting head, is much larger diameter. It has 6 blades on it versus 4, and it has multiple adjustment settings up and down depending on the kind of lavender and how thick or heavy your lavender is. Coming down to what we call the leading arm that pulls the material into the cutting head, we've made it adjustable in and out. So depending on the kind of lavender that you have and how big your plants are, these arms can be adjusted in and out very easily. Moving up to control of the leading arms, we now have a single control for up and down, and you can set it at multiple settings, as you can see here, depending on the height and such of your plants. Things are much more streamlined. Better hydraulic controls. The hydraulic lines are now inside the frame, as is the tie rod that goes from the front to rear for 4-wheel steering. The conveyor belt is one of the biggest changes. It's wider. The sides are deeper. The sides are made out of stainless steel. The conveyor belt has a much more aggressive tread on it, so it takes the material, grabs the material and takes it up into the bag easier. And that's particularly important where you have some very heavy cutting going on. Again, I mentioned hydraulic controls, but we have throttle, forward, reverse, and all the controls of the up and down, the speed of the conveyor belt, the paddle, the cutting head, and all of that are right to the left of the helm. Some other minor things, but the hydraulic tank is built into the frame. We have a better position of the engine and the gas tank and all of those things kind of out of the way of the operation of the machine. What we have here are 2-year-old Buena Vista English lavender plants, and we're going to show you what it looks like before and what it looks like after the harvester has harvested the material. You're now looking at a row that we harvested this morning. As you can see, there's very little material left over. I'm going to say less than 5%. And from our perspective, it's really not even worth hand harvesting. We may come back and trim it with a hedge trimmer a little bit just to clean it up, but it's not cost effective to even capture it for distillation. So in general, we're very, very pleased with the new machine. It looks good, it operates great, and we're ready to deliver this to a customer. Thank you.